Hello, hello, hello. Hello. So today, what are we discussing? What do we have here today? That's quite interesting. It's a new look here. On my charts. Alright, let's see what we have. Okay, so what do we have? What do we have on board? What do we have on board? So, yesterday night, I was in a trade here. Yesterday I was in a trade over here. Move all the way up here. And I said, let me keep my SL at entry. I got in a trade somewhere here, right? I said, let me keep my SL somewhere here. And I decided no. I don't think this thing will come back down to the side. Maybe it will probably pick the zone. And then I put my SL at entry and this thing took me out. And now we're up here. And with this, what do I think will happen? I am expecting price to turn somewhere here. Initially I was thinking here, but since this side did not pick, and also I use my fib tool, and I like to use the fib tool a lot. But before I use the fib tool, let's look at this. We're in an uptrend right over here. So we have something like this. This is what we have. And I was targeting this swing. This swing, the one I'm drawing the 2 on. Yeah, I was looking at this. Then the swing go much higher. And the swing came all the way here. So now I'm thinking, why not? This is a good zone for me to buy back or join this trend, this uptrend. So that's what I'm waiting for today. And I was also looking at US 30. S30 misbehaves. I still like it like that. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. I was looking for buys. You know, come at the days. But I said, I said, hey, price broke this resistance zone. And you know what they did? It grabbed liquidity and showed us this engulfing candle on the 4 hour. So what would happen? We'll be selling. I know. It didn't happen like that. And thank God, at least we are on the right side. Okay. So let's see what's happening on gold on the 4 hour. Now let me tell you what I think on gold. Now I think gold will have to drop and then come to the zone. This is I don't think it will have to, but if gold should drop, because you see this whole move, to me there's just liquidity under it. So what I'm saying is, or what I'm projecting is that gold might drop and get here, and when the drops start happening, honestly, I'm not going to be interested in any other thing than this buy zone. If not, then we drop more. But if you are able to break this, I think this is the best zone for us to continue back up. If there is any other pair, I think we should watch it today. Who's going to recommend a pair to us? So let's look at what we have on the news today. That's tomorrow's news. Today all the news events have already happened. So the spike we saw on US 30 was just New York Open. Alright. Let's see what we have. On financial juice. don't have anything significant here to do. Alright. So we can close it. So while we are waiting for the gold buys, which is over here, this is our first zone for buys. And this is our second zone for buys. Okay, let's move to Gbpusd. Now I am thinking of getting a buy opportunity on Gbpusd. Cancel. What is market structure saying? We have this. So currently, for me, there's liquidity at this whole side. For me, there's liquidity here. But it may not be tapped. And if I get an opportunity to go up or to move, for this market to join the market to the upside, right now we're gonna join. May not be tapped. This liquidity here may not be tapped today. So what do? I'll just wait. So these are the two zones on Gbpusd if you want to join the buys. Do not compromise these zones. Gbpusd. Okay, good. Now let's see US30. US30, as you already know by now, I'm still bullish. Yesterday I should have taken this trade. And this trade as well. So this should have been my first zone. This side. This was deep into the night. I think it came here late in the night. I saw this, but I was late and I decided to leave the trade. Let's go to almighty Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been selling hard. But it's trying to recover. It's trying to recover. And who doesn't like a good recovery? Oh, today I don't have my disclaimer. My disclaimer needs to. Yep, my disclaimer should be active any moment from now. Do not use it to make decisions. Disclaimer: everything said in this stream is my opinion and not financial advice. Do not use anything said here to make any financial decisions. I think I need to delete my limit that I have on US30 before it does something really crazy. As we all know, US30. Oh. Damn, I should have been in the street. Alright. From here, one thing you should also notice again is that liquid money day here. These are the two zones currently. Anything else? Let's see what we'll have. Forex trader, you should be very patient. You should be waiting. Be optimistic. I don't know people who are not Christians, how they manage to be Forex traders. Because as a Forex trader, you need to be expectant, optimistic, just have good faith. But that's when you're having the right strategy. You don't have the right strategy and have faith. Just so the trade doesn't turn from here, but hopefully just the zone that I have marked out. 3, 4, 2. Three, 4, 2, 8. Let me see where I have my US 30 zone. I said I'm gonna take it out. US 30. It's still a good zone. What do you think about? Are you gonna pick this? Do not pick. Go pick this rather than this. I'll be paid. Truth is that anywhere below the 50% it's actually a good region for gold to reverse. But then the case is that if you are picking anywhere under the 50%, so that if you pick on the 50, your SL is at the 100%, and if you pick on the 61, it reduces your SL. And so that's why I have my around the 61.8 rather than the 78. Alright. Now let's just see what this will do, right? So I don't think we have anything to discuss. If you have something to discuss, you can leave it in the comments though, if you want us to discuss something. If not, we'll be doing a shorter stream today. And just wait for these zones and see how price reacts over here. Most of you can wait for confirmations, like candlestick confirmations. So look out for reversal patterns, candlestick patterns like the bullish engulfing, the hammer, and then the rest. And then look for them over here on the lower time frames around this zone. When price gets into this zone, then you just if you break past this point, then I think we need to look for another entry to join the bull run on gold. $4.342. Right, if you move past that area, then probably we're out. So this is how I leave you guys on the stream today. We have a trade here, possible trade entry on Gbpusd. Can consider these two zones. .3396 and 1.3404. Right. We have another trade on US30. I don't think it will come to the zone back. Find a way to enter and join again. Finally BTC. Yep. So that's how we end today's session. Thank you very much for joining today. We'll be back tomorrow.